Hey guys, so I have a new toy. I'm going to try to make this fairly quick because I'm going to get in super big trouble if I'm found out. So this is the Vfit Plus, and I know you know what that is, or you wouldn't have clicked on it. Maybe you are interested. So I'm going to tell you, I've already obviously opened this thing. I've obviously already give it a shot. Anyways, it comes in a nifty little box like this. See? This is your little dolphin guy. Looks like a fat ass dolphin. Oh, maybe the skinny one. I don't know. So, just pull this little stupid stuff up. And you also have a little silky bag. So sensual. Sensual bag. I'm going to show you also. This is your Photonic Light Gel. This stuff is absolutely 100% like water in a stupid tube like this. Literally, be careful when you pour it because I poured probably this much out. I'm super pissed about it. I'm gonna call the company tomorrow because I need my light gel, baby. Anyways, and then this, it says shine bright, and I will in about 6 weeks because that's about how long this takes. I'm gonna tell you how it works, just because it's kind of cool to see this function on, if it will turn back on, because it disables after it knows you've used it. You can't use it again for 2.5 hours. It's gonna screw me out of using it tonight, but that's okay. Okay, anyway, you turn it on right here. So you have power, vibrations, and you have your timer and lighting. Okay, power it on. Boop. All right, these are 2, 4, 6, 8, wait a minute. So that's weird, it's 5 of them, but anyways, it goes up to 12 minutes. And it tells you to start with 6 minutes every other day for 6 weeks. So I didn't do that because I am impatient as hell and I won't push limits and I don't care. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna put it on 6 or 12 minutes. So there's your 12 that you're not supposed to use. Don't do it. Don't do it, let me do it. I'll show you how it's done and I'll tell you how it is. Boopity boop boop. And now we're gonna turn this sucker on. Here comes the bright lights. It's gonna blind your asses. You hold it in, boom. And that sucker, it heats up. It really heats the shit out of your twatums. So, and it is going zzz. It's got 10 modes. Turn off. Okay, take a break. Gotta get you later. Anyways, so now that we've seen that thing do its kabobble-ness, you are going to apply a little bit of that gel. Remember, I told you it's like water. It literally is like water. It's in the stupidest bottle I've ever seen for that type of gel to be in. It has I'm sorry, let me get it back out. This is Photonic Gel, and it is infused with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. So it's supposed to help work those muscles down there. It is to tighten the walls of your VJJ, or your hootie hoo, your peach, whatever you want to call it, your hussy, your wuss. Anyway, so I used it night 1, and I think somebody's coming. Nope. So I may have to slide off here pretty quickly because he doesn't know. Anyway, so I used it night 1. It seriously was pretty, it got hot. It really did get hot. It got pretty damn warm. almost, and that was about the 4th minute in, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get some awesome results, so just chill out and deal with it, and I did. And then the crazy thing is, oh my God, I hope nobody in my family's watching, especially my husband. Okay, so anyway, oh my God, I can't say it. I did have a little bit of an experience afterwards rather, because you can do anything. There's no downtime. There's no downtime whatsoever. You can do whatever in the freaking hell you want. Oh my freaking God, he's coming. I had a good time that night and it really worked. Okay,